Alright guys, it's been a little while, but today, I didn't really know what to make. I was gonna do like a little day vlog, but I don't have enough time for that, and it's gonna rain a little bit, so this is just a little bit of a room tour and some things in my room that I like, and yeah. So this is kind of just the outside of my room. Also don't mind my door, it's a little bit messed up. I need to get a new one. And I don't know why it's so laggy, but okay, yeah. So coming in, you have this little staircase, you know. This is a bus. It is an old bus that we bought, and we towed it to our property, and then we renovated it and everything. It's a little bit dirty right now. Don't mind that. But coming in, we have this little shelf we built into it. This was like the driver's seat, and there was like an engine thing right here. I don't know if buses have that now, but it's like a thing, and you can see the engine underneath. And obviously that was the front door, or the door. And it was, I think it was all, I don't remember what color. I think it was gray. We painted it white. The windows are mostly all still in there. You know, there's all a bunch of seats in here. We took them all out. So we just stripped it completely, and we built this. We put a floor into it. We built that little shelf. We still need to put something there, but we put lights into it. Also need to put something there, but put lights into it, you know. This is the emergency exit. It does still work. We put a roof over it, because the roof, it wasn't waterproof anymore. Like, it wasn't fully sealed. Like, it would like leak. But apart from that, it's pretty much just still a bus. But here we go. Apart from that, we have the Legos that I got when I was a kid. I got that one for my grandpa. This one for, I think, my birthday a couple years back. I haven't really touched this in a while. Over here, we have my shoe collection. Have those I got in Thailand, Japan, the Netherlands. Those are fake Crocs. My old skate shoes, more Jordans. I also got those in the Netherlands. I don't know what those are. My mountain shoes I used to hike through the Himalayas with my dad. We hiked for around 2 weeks. We got to 6,000 meters, the Manaslu track. So just 2 weeks walking through the mountains, through the Himalayas in Nepal. Really cool. I'll throw some photos up. Over here, I have a little mirror I stole from my sister. Here, I want to get some posters or something here. My couch that I never use. It's just for my dogs, pretty much. Over here we have my skateboards. A longboard, cruiser, skateboards. Here we have my closet. It's yeah, it's messy. We have my raincoats, my rain pants, because it rains here a lot, and I drive a bike. Right now it's rainy season, so it's raining a lot. So you have this one I got in Thailand, my Honda one, and then just some sweaters and stuff. My pants. We have my Muay Thai shorts from Muay Thai. My shirts and stuff. And then we come here. This is where I spend all my time. We have my bed. You know, my bed. I think it's a king. We have my little shelf, my LED lights, going all the way up, all the way up, on all the way there. And then coming forward, we have my reclining chair. It folds up and you can lean back. It pretty much turns into a bed. We have my table speaker. It's a little bit dark in here. I'm sorry for that. It's my table speaker. So it's, you know, a little table. It's a speaker and a wireless charger. It's pretty handy. Then on my wall we have a knife, just for fun, just for the looks pretty much. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it up on the wall. My first ever skateboard. I don't skate anymore, but it is still cool to have some skateboards, I guess. My awards from Muay Thai, my gloves, those are my personal gloves, my 10-ounce twins. These are Everlast gloves. I never use these. We just have some skateboard wheels on the wall because I don't know why. I just thought it would look cool on my headphones. I don't use those, but some necklaces. I don't use those either. Then coming forward a little bit, we have this ugly gap, really, really ugly gap right here because the current was too short and we need to get a new one. But we made it work, kind of. Not really. It's really ugly. I hate it. So I put this little shelf in front of it. My helmets. That one is my old helmet. That one is for the rain. That one is my main one, my daily. And then this is my favorite part right here, my setup. It's not the best setup you've seen, but you know, it still does the job. It's just computer, PC, you know, one monitor, just easy. Keyboard. I don't know what keyboard it is. We have the Razer something. I don't know what it's called, but I don't know much about computers. My Xbox controller. I do have an Xbox in there. It's really old. It still works, but never use it. We have another speaker, microphone, gaming chair. Don't know what gaming chair it is. It's really comfortable though. And then these curtains usually go all the way down to the floor, so you don't see the door, because this is an exit door. And yeah, but we have another curtain. I have this little shelf right here. I'm gonna reorganize my room soon. Then you know, we just have my wallet, my AirPods, some jewelry, some perfume, Spider-Man fragrance, of course, best fragrance out there. My rings. You have this inhaler kind of thing from Thailand. Best thing I ever bought. It was amazing. It still works. We have my keys. You know, just a little key hanger right there. More LED lights going over my bed and stuff. Under my chair, I already showed that. And yeah, that's really it. That's kind of just a simple little room tour today. I mean, my room's a bus, as you can see. You know, it's, I think, 13 meters long. 13 or 14 meters. I think 3 meters in the... I don't know what that thing's called, but it's like 3 meters, 13 meters long and 3 meters wide, I think. And yeah. Like and subscribe.